Today we're going to show how to repair a tire, how to get a nail out, and how to patch that tire. I don't have a tire with a nail in it or a screw in it, so we're going to have to put one in and see what happens. That would make like a boom. Okay, so now that the nail's in the tire, that's what your tire is going to look like if you got a nail in it. These are the tools that you're going to need to replace it. Normally, you can buy this in a kit at any one of your tire shops or just a standard pliers to get the nail out. You want to grab onto the nail or the screw, whatever's in the tire. Pull that right out. And you're going to use this to clean the hole out. Clean it out. And that's it. That's how you patch a tire. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.